Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Cash App to Apple Pay. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Cash App as you see right here. And then if you don't have the card or Cash App card, you need to actually click on the bank option on the down left corner. And after that, from here, you need to actually click on get your free card on the top. Now, after you do that, you can actually now continue with the prompts and they will deliver you your free debit card to your home. So now after you do that and now you get your physical debit card from Cash App, all you need to do is to open your iPhone and click on Apple Wallet to open Apple Wallet. Now the next thing that you need to do is to click on the plus icon on the top and now you need to choose a debit or credit card. Now if you have your physical card, all you need to do is to hold it near your phone and now you need to scan it and it will input all the card numbers and things automatically. Or you can actually enter your card details manually. You can click on here and now you can enter your name, card number manually and then hit on next. After that you can input the next information and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.